As of now, yes. As of now, because students have asked for it, as long as they're asking, we are there with them. Unless they change their mind, if we are able to reach to a certain kind of discussion, whereby we can convince or they feel that it is okay to do it otherwise. For now, it stays. It stays because we have not seen. Frankly speaking, I have not seen any correspondence from the Vice Chancellor to any stakeholders that come NEHU, we want to talk. Come NEHU, we want to talk. Come NEHU. I have not seen. He only yesterday released a sort of statement to say that we will be conducting EC today and please call off. You don't call off agitation when you have gone to that extent. The agitation is of that caliber. I don't think such flimsy actions is going to deter the students. And I'm sure right now nobody is trusting him. Neither me as President NEHU, neither Mehta, neither NEHU, neither NEHU. Nobody is trusting his integrity as a Vice Chancellor. The best thing would be he step down and goes quietly. Everything will be settled. But then, if he has to be removed, then rightly said, it is easier said than done. We all understand that. But if student wants, if you can have agitation in AMU, in JNU, in Bangladesh, in Calcutta during this recent incident that has happened, I think when student agitates, anybody has to budge. They have to react. They have to do whatever they can in order to pacify the students. I believe the strength of students cannot be undermined, and we are all with them in this issue.